Winner of a Slash Gear Innovation Award at CES 2025, the MOVA V50 Ultra is a stunning leap forward in robotic vacuum technology. That's because there's no place it can't reach. The Stepmaster feature allows the unit to clear obstacles over 2 inches in height, while the innovative FlexiRise navigation technology lets the V50 Ultra easily clean under low places, such as beds, chairs, and cabinets. On top of that, the Turbo Wave Duo Brush and Flex Reach let the unit get right into tight corners, so it never misses a potential blind spot. The Turbo Force 7 motor provides 24,000 pascals of suction with minimal noise, while a Duo solution system features 2 separate cleaning compartments, one for floors, the other for pets. When the mess is gone, an upgraded washboard provides hassle-free cleaning and ensures you have all the time in the world to enjoy your spotless house.